Hi! In front of me is Nokia G22 and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video file to text message. First of all, open Messages app and tap on one of your chats. Then select this plus icon at the bottom left corner and click on Files category. Over here you can pick your files from one of those apps. Select those three lines at the top left corner and choose one of those sources. Or tap on Audio and Video Filters in Recent category. Whatever you do, when you're ready, just hold your file that you wish to add and click on Select at the top right corner. So when I do that, as you can see, my audio file was successfully added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!